to learn how to subtract with base 100 to 800. Let's start with an example like 101. Subtract by 69. 69 will give us two things, first base and second thing complement. 69 is near to 100, so we take base 100. If we write 0 before 69, there will be no effect. For base 100, we write 1. For finding complement of two-digit 69, we have formula, all from 9 and less from 10. We have to subtract 6 from 9. We write 3. We have to subtract 9 from 10. We write 1. Now we apply the formula less the base add the complement. We minus 1 to 1 equal to 0. We add 0 to 3 equal to 3. We add 1 to 1 equal to 2. Our final answer is 32. Let's start with an example like 212. Subtract by 185. 185 will give us two things, first base and second thing complement. 185 is near to 200, so we take base 200. For base 185, we write 2. For finding complement of two-digit 85, we have formula, all from 9 and less from 10. We have to subtract 8 from 9. We write 1. We have to subtract 5 from 10. We write 5. Now we apply the formula less the base add the complement. We minus 2 to 2 equal to 0. We add 1 to 1 equal to 2. We add 2 to 5 equal to 7. Our final answer is 27. Let's start with an example like 413. Subtract by 286. 286 will give us two things, first base and second thing complement. 286 is near to 300, so we take base 300. For base 300, we write 3. For finding complement of two-digit 86, we have formula, all from 9 and less from 10. We have to subtract 8 from 9. We write 1. We have to subtract 6 from 10. We write 4. Now we apply the formula less the base add the complement. We minus 3 to 4 equal to 1. We add 1 to 1 equal to 2. We add 4 to 3 equal to 7. Our final answer is 127. Similarly, you can find for base 400, 500, 600, 700 and 800 with same method.